agile software development. Okay. So I'm going to share the screen here. Okay, software process. Under that, we are going to learn about agile software development. Okay. Okay, what is this agile? It is describe the modern software development. We can say the agile is a fragile and it is a huge change in software development. Changes, that means using agile can be able to adapt the changes in requirements. With the customer requirement, if they are changed, using the agile, you can be able to adapt to that changing requirement. And also you can do the changes in design and implementation, changes in technology, changes in team, and also changes in user-client contacts. So you can be able to accommodate the software with the rapid changes. What is this agile? It is a philosophy plus a set of guidelines for software development. What is this philosophy? Customer satisfaction and also increment-wise. You know what is increment? Increment-wise delivery, small, highly motivated project teams, overall development, as a simplicity is there in agile. What are the guidelines? Active, continuous communication and collaboration between the developers and users. What is this communication and collaboration? Can be able to adapt the users as a part of team. And also you can eliminate attitude, us and them. That means attitude is very important here with the continuous communication in between the team members as well as the customer. Customer is a team member here in the agile. So it's very important attitude to be with all in one team. Flexible project planning in uncertain world. Here the discipline is very important to have in agile. Agile is what the ability to adapt to changing requirements, changes of circumstances. The customer can be able to change the requirement. What is this agile software development? It is based on learn and adapt rather than the rigid processes. It is not based on the processes. Always it deal with learn and adapt. So it's evolving systems in short iterations. Each release increases the working system. Focus on business value. Design for change. That means increment-wise delivery is there. Always focus on the business value. Design for change. Communicating efficiently and real-time visibility to progress. Leveraging human strength. Engage, align, and empower the team. And also can be able to get power from each member. Team members are working very efficiently and effectively. So no any discipline here. This is agile. Inside the agile, waterfall is there. The waterfall is like this. This is what we are thinking. Increment-wise delivery is there. The target is here, the real target. So the evolutionary computing, the evolutionary software development is here to achieve the real target. That is the agile. Okay, here how the cost, with the waterfall, cost of change, the waterfall, here the cost of change agile. Okay, now you have an activity. Can you think about What are the reasons for this cost change? Waterfall is like this, the increase in the cost. Agile, first it increases, then it goes like stable level. What are the reasons? Can you think about the reasons and tell me what are the reasons? Any reasons? Any one of you, can you give me the reasons for the waterfall, why it is increasing agile like this? If you are unable to talk, you can send me a chat. Deepan, who is there? Any other? Today the less number of people, I think because of the heavy rain. Anyone who can be able to answer the question? Yes, here, I think Rasangi, she has mentioned because there is no way to change requirement in waterfall in the middle of the process, but agile can. The processes are changing, but in the waterfall, the cost of change is increasing. Why is that? Can you give me the reason for the first figure? Why in waterfall the cost of change is increasing? What are the reasons for increasing the cost of change? Waterfall? Why is that? Here the waterfall, The requirement, the cost of change is like here the low. Then it increasing. When the production stage, the cost of change is very high. That means the maintenance. After delivering, the customers are changing their requirements, and that's why the cost of change is very high. In the agile, first the cost of change is going to be increased. Then why it is stable? Customers interact with the team members, and always when the customer asks for a change, they are in the process, they are doing the changes. That is why the cost of change is in the stable period. Okay. Okay, these are the agile and the waterfall, how it differ from agile method and the waterfall. Okay, first read this, how it differs. These are some factors: approach, success measurement, management style, perspective change, culture, documentation, emphasize, cycles, upfront planning, ROI. ROI means return on investment. Team size. Okay, read this table. Okay, agile, the approach is adaptive. Waterfall, the approach is predictive. Agile, the success measurement is the business value. Based on the business value, you can say whether the project is success or not. Okay. Waterfall, confirmation to plan. The management is like decentralized. Here, all the team members are participating for the software development. The waterfall, it's autocratic, that means assigned person doing the management, the management supporting the waterfall. The perspective, the change is change adaptability, can be able to change when the customer requirements are changing. Sustainability, after delivering, when the customer asks for a change, can be able to do a change. Culture, the leadership, collaboration, here the agile. The waterfall, like the command control, giving commands and controlling the software development process. Documentation is low in agile. The waterfall is heavy. Agile is a people-oriented. The team members, based on the team members, you can say the project is going to be success or not. Waterfall is a process-oriented. Agile is numerous. Waterfall, limited. Agile method, planning is minimal. Waterfall, upfront planning is comprehensive. Return on investment, agile, you can decide early in the project. The waterfall, end of the project. The team member size, team size, agile is a small and creative. Waterfall, you need a large team size. In the exam, if you get a question like compare agile and waterfall, you can be able to mention all these factors. Okay. Okay, how the adaptability scale. See whether you can understand this figure. Here, adaptability scale, flexibility is there in agile. High flexibility, that is called the agility. Waterfall, position on line varies based on the processes, you can be able to do some changes. Here in agile, no processes. Waterfall, it's based on the processes, always you can do the changes. Evolution of agile. These are some models in agile. Scrum, these are some agile methods. Okay. Xprit, DSDB, XP, then Martin Flower, Live ThoughtWorks, FDD, testing, adaptive software development, Crystal family, programming programmers. These are some agile. Finally, they have created agile principles. These are the agile principles. Read them. What are the agile principles? I don't know whether we can. Okay, these are the agile principles. Yes, I am going to upload. I have uploaded chapter 2. The last week slides already I have uploaded. Today's one, today I will upload it to the LMS. Okay. You can find the chapter 1 recordings also in the LMS. Okay. And also YouTube channel also I have uploaded. Okay. These are the principles of agile. individuals and interaction, or processes and tools. That means in the team, inside the team, the principal individuals interact with the software development process. Over comprehensive documentation, you can work in software. The customer collaboration over contract negotiation. That means customer collaboration. Always the customer is inside the team and work with the team. Responding to change over following a plan. Okay? That means when the customer needs a change, inside the team, they can be able to provide that change. Okay, here there are principles, that means based on these concepts. Read them. I'm not going to discuss one by one. You can read and understand. Our highest priority is to satisfy the consumer through early and continuous delivery of valuable software. That means increment-wise delivery, early stage. That means in the early stage also they can see a software. That is the advantage. And also welcome changing requirements even late in the development. Can be able to do some changes. Deliver work in software frequent. That means increment-wise delivery is there. Business people and developers must work together throughout the project. The project is motivating around individual. Give them the environment and support what they need. The most efficient and effective way of conveying information, that means within the team, development team. Work in software is the primary measure of progress. And agile process promotes sustainable development, the sponsors, developers, and users. Continuous attention to technical excellence and good design exchange agility. Simplicity is there, like art of maximizing the amount of work not done. The best architectures, requirement, and design all integrated in agile. The regular intervals, if the team need, that means more effective, and you can be able to tune. That means test. No need to memorize these all, okay? Agile principles, like that. Okay, these are some agile methodologies. Scrum, Lean, XP, FDD, Adaptive, Crystal, DSDN. These are some agile methodologies. Okay, the first one we are going to discuss about the agile methodologies, XP. We need to understand the difference between XP and the Scrum. Okay, read and understand the different XP and Scrum. Scrum is a recent software development methodology which uses the agile concept. Okay, XP promote high customer involvement, rapid feedback loops, continuous testing. Planning continuous is there. The close teamwork to deliver work in software at very frequent intervals, 1 to 3 weeks, 40 hours, they are going to deliver. Okay. Engineering practices are there. Okay. It's the most popular and like able to adapt the agile method. The next one is a Scrum. It is a lightweight management framework with broad applicability, controlling iterative and incremental manner. So it is simplicity is there, productivity is there. Okay. So multiple teams are involved with Scrum, very large organization, they are using Scrum. Okay. Okay. Now, can you find what is the difference between XP and Scrum? If your session left, you need to admit it again. Okay. You have an activity, find the difference between XP and Scrum. Both are agile, that is the similarity. I need, what is the difference here? Why we are using XP, why we are using Scrum? Here also you can find the answer. If you need, you can read more and tell me the answer. Teepan, I didn't get you. That means for this one, you need a lot of data. Okay, rainy. Today's the rainy day. That's another reason. Teepan, can you talk with me? Is it possible?
Yes, madam.
Is there a Teepan?
Yes, madam.
Yeah, what is the reason, Teepan?
Compared to other lectures, most of internet data.
For this lecture?
Yeah, other lectures only take data on connection.
Okay, this one, the most data is going.
Yeah, all the time data, I think one data 400 MB.
Okay. For other lectures, you are like going for 2 hours or how many hours you are doing?
2 hours, but it's take only starting time, take data, other time not.
Taking data. In my lecture, you are taking a lot of data.
Anytime.
Why? What do you think? What is the reason?
I didn't know.
I'm also doing the lectures through the Learn.
I know.
But my account is newly created one. Only for your lectures, I think. Because I am out of the university. Is that the reason?
I feel that, but I didn't.
Okay, what are the lectures you are enrolling the other lectures? Last it's one.
No, other lectures, most of people
in the lectures, no?
Yeah.
Okay, your friends are saying that a lot of data is going.
Yeah, sometimes it's high quality data is wanted this lecture.
For this one, the most of data is going. Okay, I need to discuss it with the Mahet sir. Okay.
No. To discuss our other friends.
Okay.
Madam. Hello.
Hello. Yes.
Madam, මං හිතන් madam අනිත් අපිට හැම link එකක්ම දීලා තියෙන madam university එක through madam ගේ එක ඇවිල්ලා private එකක්. ඒකයි මං හිතන්නේ data කැපෙන්නේ. university එකෙන් දුන්න එව්වට madam connect වෙන්න විතරයි අපිට data ඕන. ඊට පස්සේ free යන්නේ.
university එකෙන් දුන්නා කියන්නේ පුතේ ඔයගොල්ලන්ට lecturers ලද දුන්නේ.
madam LMS එකේ තමයි දාලා තියෙන්නේ මං හිතන්නේ ඒක අර SJP අර එහෙම එකක් තියෙනව නේද මාත් එක හරියට දන්නේ නැහැ. එහෙම නැතුව දීපු ලින්ක් වලට තමයි මේ
මම දීලා තියෙන ලින්ක් එකේ කෙලින්ම එකක් තියෙන්නේ නේ. ඔයාලගේ data කැපෙනවා.
ඔව්.
එහෙම ප්‍රශ්නයක් තියෙනවා තමයි නේ.
මැඩම් ඒකයි මේ 40න් 40ට එන්ඩ් වෙන්නෙත් ඒකයි මැඩම්. අරක මම හිතන්නේ ෂෙඩියුල් කරලා තියෙනවා ලෙක්චර් ටයිම් එකට හරියන්න. මැඩම්ගේ අර ප්‍රයිවට් එකක් හින්දා තමයි 40න් 40ට එන්ඩ් වෙන්නේ මැඩම්.
මට පොඩ්ඩක් ඔයගොල්ලෝ ලයින් එකේ ඉන්න මට විනාඩියක් නේ චෙක් කරන්න. නේ ඔයාලා කියපේක හොඳයි ළමයි මං හිතන්නේ එන්නේ නැත්තේ ඒකෙන් හින්දා වෙන්නේ නැති නේ. wait. Okay, now we are going to learn about the first agile methodology, XP. It is called extreme programming. It is the most widely used agile process based on the values. What are the values? Communication, feedback, and courage. Based on that, the process is created. Here, the number of innovative and powerful techniques are used in the agile team. Frequent software release. The simplicity is there, so the frequent software release versions are releasing. Features and functionality, prioritize the customer. What is this XP? It's a lightweight discipline of software development. It's a teamwork of the people, the team members. What are the values? Simplicity, that means the simple communication within the team members is very high. Feedback, that means customers are always giving some feedback based on increments. Courage is there. Okay. History, it is 1990. Kent Beck and Watt, that they have explained about the extreme programming. The first experiment is 1996. It is as an experiment started and later it has became a one lightweight software development. What is this lightweight? The meaning of lightweight is we are using few rules and practices. That is a lightweight. Okay. Heavyweight means you have many weight, many rules, many practices, and many documents. Okay. These are the phases. First one is exploration. In here, the customers are writing some story cards. So based on the story cards, the project team members are familiar with the tools and technology with the practices. The next is planning. Based on that stories, they are going to plan that the releases. That means what increment you are going to deliver first. Okay. Then what is the next increment? Likewise, you can do the planning. Iterations to release. The iterations, the before release. How many iterations and how you are going to plan it. Production in, extra testing and checking before release to the customer. Maintenance and date means new iterations, no more customer stories. You can finish development. There are roles and responsibilities. The first one is programmers. The programmers are the person who writes test cases and then coding. The customers, they write the stories and do the functional testing. Functional testing means the final testing the customers are doing, whether they have received the final product. Okay. Tester. Tester is the person who helps customer to write test and run the testing. The tracker gives feedback on estimating and process on iterations. Coach, person responsible for whole process. Consultant, they are the people who supply the specific technical knowledge when needed to the team. The managers are making decisions. This is how the practices, the whole team, the customer test, small release, the planning game. Here you can see collective ownership, coding standards, sustainable practice, continuous integration, metaphor, small release, simple design, refactoring, test-driven delivering, the pair programming. These practices one by one we are going to discuss. This is overall picture of the XP practices. The first one, planning game. Here the programmers estimate the implementation times and the stories what the customer needs. Then they can plan the schedule with the scope and the time. Short releases, that means they can identify the 2 to 3 months what they can be able to release. That is the short release. Simple design, emphasize on simplest design. The testing is, you need to write down the test cases, how you are going to do the unit testing for the test code. Unit testing is done by the programmers to test the code. Refactoring, that means you are going to restructure and do the changes to simplify the stories. Pair programming, 2 people are working at one computer, that is the pair programming. Okay. What is the collective ownership? The code is owned by different people. Anyone can be able to change any part of the code at any time. That is the collective ownership is there. Continuous integration, new builds as soon as the code ready. Maximum 40 hours of week, no any overtime. They are working only for 40 hours. It's the advantage. On-site customer always be available with the team. Coding standards, they are following the rules and standards. Open workspace means they are using large room with small cubicles. All are working, all team members in that large room, inside the room. Okay. Team has own rules, but can be changed any at time. Okay, this is how you can go to this web page and see the extreme programming. You have user stories. Then you can, based on the user stories, at the beginning, you are writing the test scenarios. Requirement, new user stories, bugs, acceptance test. Finally, you can do the small releases. Architecture has here uncertain estimation, spikes. Spike-wise, you are going to plan them. If you get a new user story, you can again do the planning. Likewise, it's an iterative process. If you find a bug, you need to fix it and then again do the testing, acceptance test. That is also an iteration process. Okay, here this is a web page. You can go to the web page and see. Okay. Yes, I think if your data is gone, shall I stop here? Can you come back at 2:30? I will be given you the new link in the LMS. You can join me the new link. Okay? I think it's better. Tipan, can you hear me? I think it's okay. Yes. If not, your data is wasting. Okay? Okay, log out and come back again 2:30. Okay? Okay. Okay, this is in XP, the cost of change. First is increase little bit and goes stable. Okay, in XP. How you can keep the cost of change low? Can it be do? With the simple design and coding, we are writing our programs easy to understand and easy to extend. So easily when the customer asks for a change, you can do it easily. And also automated tests are there. Tests are created before the code written. As you have remembered, the customers are writing stories. Based on the stories, you are writing test cases. Okay. Then after you are writing the code. So the bugs can be found. The new tests are added. Easily you can be able to find bugs in XP. And also refactoring. Practical, that means based on the practices you can do the changing. Same way you are wasting data. Deepan?
Yes, madam.
Okay. Okay, we will stop from this chapter and I am going to talk to Mahit sir and see, okay? What is happening inside my other lectures, no any issues, no? Only my one.
No. Yes.
Okay, I will check it, okay? Thank you, Deepan, okay. Then automated tests are there. You can be able to find the bugs at early stage and you can fix them. And also refactoring is there. The benefit is the customer will see a real opportunity. They can see the system. Before they are going to release the system, they can see the system like increments. And also can be able to get customer feedback early. So you can reduce the cost. Open culture for source codes. What is this user stories? Customers are writing user stories. Okay, read what is user stories. Okay, user stories are written by users. 1 to 3 sentences used for estimates. Using user stories can be able to write down acceptance test cases. Okay. So you can find what are the functionalities to be built. You can put them into index card. Then based on the priority, you can select what you are going to develop the first. Customer assign a value. For each user stories, customers are assigning values. And based on the priority, they can assign these values. Okay. So they are estimating the values, number of weeks, which you are going to develop the system, they develop the increment, number of weeks greater than 3. Then they can ask for split the stories. Then again, here they are asking for the users to split the stories if the weeks are greater than 3. Then again, they are assigning new values. So you can create new stories at any time in XP. What is this grouping stories? You need to group the stories. How you are going to group the stories? Okay, here the XP team and the client, they are working together to group in the stories. Okay, like similarities, the modules, they can be able to group them. Okay, they need to agree, the users need to be agree with that grouping, delivery date, matters. Based on that, they can do. So all need to be implemented immediately. Highest value going to be implemented first, and you can identify the risks based on the story, can be able to identify the risks. Okay, the next one, XP project velocity. What is this? Read this one. Here, number of stories implemented in the first release. You need to decide what you are going to deliver first to the customer. Okay, you can schedule the date and what you are going to first release. What are the commitments for each team members? Okay, so you can do add, remove, modify, split the stories and changing values. Okay, here. Okay, the next one is small releases. In XP, you can do small releases. What is the small releases? A simple system into production early and you can update it frequently on a very short cycles. So all tested features include small releases. Customers can use these at the early stage of the development. What is this metaphor? The metaphor system of means, it is basic guidelines for development and communication within the teams. It represents the system architecture, how program works, and all the common vision and what is the shared vocabularies there. Next is you need to plan the game. What is this plan in the game? Read this one. Here are the two games, release planning and iteration planning. Okay. The first one, what is release planning? Here the goal is to define set of features required for next generation. Read what is iteration plan. Big problem. There is only 4 participants. T-pen, that is the only reason that the student, less number of students, the data spending.
No, madam, I have this reason, but any other lectures, most of the student is participate.
Other lectures, they are participating.
Yeah.
For this one, what is the reason?
I know this data problem, but any reason I didn't know.
Afan, do you know any reasons why the less number of people here, the 4 here? Other lectures, how many hours you are spending for other lectures?
Hello, madam.
Yes. Yes, Afan.
I think they are not participating because of data issue.
Data issue.
And also the syllabus look like theory, right, madam? That's why I think.
Other reason. They are boring to hear to the lectures.
It's my opinion, madam. I
Yes,
didn't ask for.
Thank you. Yes, this is a theory subject, the software engineering. Okay? If you are in the classroom, like I can give some questions and like that here. You are not any participating here. That's the reason. Okay?
Okay.
Rasangika, do you know any reasons?
No, madam.
What you heard from your the friends?
Some students have connection problem and some I think this is not practical. No, it's kind
Not
of
practical. That means you all need to do practicals. Practicals කරන්නද කැමතිද ඔයගොල්ලෝ?
Yes.
එහෙනම් හොඳයිනේ. මම questions අහන හින්දා සමහර අය එන්නේ නැද්ද?
ඒක නම් මැඩම් මම හරියටම දන්නේ මේ අනිත් ඒවාට නම් මට ඇත්තටම මේ ටිකක් ඉන්නවා සාමාන්‍යයෙන් 20 more than ඉන්නේ මෙතන. සමහර විට අර තීපන් කිව්වා වගේ මම ඩේටා මේ ප්‍රශ්නේ හින්දා දන්නේ නැහැ හරියටම.
ඕ ඩේටා ප්‍රශ්නේ හින්දා දන්නේ නැහනේ. දැන් මේකේ මම දැන් අන්න ලර්න් ගිහිල්ලාමයි දැන් ඔය හැදුවේ තීපන් කියන විදිහට ඒත් යනවනේ නේ. ගොඩක් අය ඉන්නේ නැත්තේ මේ මම ප්‍රශ්න අහන හින්දා මං හිතන්නේ නේ. ඔයගොල්ලෝ මාව ක්ලාස් රූම් එකේදී හම්බුණා නම් ඊට වඩා මට කැමති නැති වෙයි කියන්නේ. Did you heard about me? මං ගැන අහලා තියෙනවද? නෑ.
No, madam. නෑ.
Ask from your seniors, I think. ගොඩක් අය කියන්නේ එන්නේ නැති මාව තාම දැකලත් නැහැ. මම යුනිවර්සිටි එකෙත් නැහැ. දැන් මට හරි ප්‍රශ්නයක් මේක මේ වැඩක් නැහැ නේ. මම මෙතන මේ කෑ ගහලානේ. ඕගොල්ලෝ මේ හරියට ලෙක්චර්ස් එන්නේ නැත්තම් මම ක්ලාස් රූම් එකේ හිටියත් ඕගොල්ලෝගේ නම කියලා ප්‍රශ්න අහලා ඕගොල්ලෝගෙන් ප්‍රශ්න අහන කෙනෙක්. ඔයාලා තාම මං ගැන දන්නේ නැහනේ. ඕගොල්ලෝ තාම ෆස්ට් ඉයර් එකේ ඉඳලා මං හිටියා නම් මාව දන්නා ඕගොල්ලෝ. මම යුනිවර්සිටි එකේ නැහැනේ. ඒ කියන්නේ ඒගොල්ලෝ මේවා ඉගෙන ගන්න රෙකෝඩින්ග්ස් අහලා. එහෙමද?
ඔව් ගොඩක් වෙලාවට ඔව්.
Sorry, miss, I can't understand.
What are the other subjects you are learning other than the software engineering?
Java.
Developer.
Yeah. ITPM, project management, operation research, and software engineering. That's all. Networking.
Networking last sir.
Yeah.
මම විතරද ප්‍රශ්න අහන්නේ?
No, we have in-class activities. So.
දැන් ඔයාලා කියනකොට මේක බලන්න. මෙහෙමයි මම ප්‍රශ්න අහන්නේ ඇත්තටම දැන් ඕගොල්ලන්ට මම මේක කියවගෙන කියනවා මේක තියරි සබ්ජෙක්ට් එකක්. හරිද? You also boring. දැන් මම දැන් මේක කියවගෙන යනවා. හරි ඕගොල්ලෝ ඉතින් මං හිතන්නේ අහන් ඉන්නෙත් නෑනේ ගොඩක් අය නේ ආ දැන් මම නම කියලා ප්‍රශ්න අහපු ගමන් කට්ටියට අප්සෙට් යනවා ඉතින් නේ අහන් ඉන්නේ නෑනේ ඒක තමයි වැඩියෙන්ම ඇත්තේ මම ඩේටා ප්‍රශ්න ඉෂුව එක බලන්නම් මම do you have any meetings with the head of the department? No. We are online?
No.
Now you are in third year, second semester.
third year first semester.
First semester. හරි. තාම තියෙනවනේ semesters තුනක්. ඒ කියන්නේ ඉස්සරහට ගොඩක් මාව දුරට projects වලින් ඉඳලා හම්බ වෙයි. මොකද I'm going to assume my duties on February. මට ඉන්න හොඳට මතක තියෙනවා ඔයගොල්ලෝ. හරි. දැන් තුන් දෙනා වුණත් මට අද කරන්න වෙන පුතේ lecture එක. මොකද we need to finish this. ඔයාලා තුන් දෙනා කියවන්න බලන්න what is this planning game? Under the planning game we are going to do release planning and iteration planning. මම data issue එක කොහොම හරි solve කරන්න. හරි ප්‍රශ්න අහන එක නම් පුතේ මම නවත්තන්නේ නැහැ. හරි I need to ask the questions. If not this is like a talking to parrots. කියවන්න බලන්න, just read them. What is this release planning, iteration planning? People, this is also theoretical subject. This is not a practical subject. The software engineering is a theoretical subject. We don't have any practicals here. Okay, this is not any programming. Okay, like theory part, you are learning here the theory part, how you are to develop a system. Okay. Okay, who got the best results from you all? Up to now, I have heard about Afan from Mahets.
What, madam?
You are a good student.
I don't know.
That's what I heard about you, Afan. Why the students are feared about asking questions? Like they are reluctant to say the answers. I asked them to send chat and no need to use the microphone or anything. You can send me the chat. I asked them to send chats. They can send me a chat. Mama chat එකකින් එවන්න කියනවා. මම ඇත්තටම software engineering අන්තිමට ඉගෙනුවේ I have taught to Udari. You know the Udari who is in the department now? උදාරිට තමයි මම අන්තිමට කරලා then I leave for my PhD. We will see when we have seen in the physical classrooms. Okay. COVID තියෙන කන් නෑනේ දැන් ඔයගොල්ලෝ 4th year වර වෙනකම්ම නේ අපි ආවද හරි හම්බ වෙන්නේ ෆිසිකල් ක්ලාස් රූම් එකේ කොහමද යුනිවර්සිටි එකේ ඉන්නකොට ගොඩාක් ළමයි මට කැමති නෑ යුනිවර්සිටි එළියට ගිහිල්ලා ජොබ්ස් කරනකොට තමයි මට කැමති වෙන්නේ when you are getting that the experience what I teach you is good for your experience ඒවා දකින්නකොට තමයි හිතෙන්නේ අනේ මේ ටික කරගත්තා නම් හොඳයි කියලා ඔයාලත් ඉතින් ඒ වගේ වෙයි this is not the first time මම හිතුවේ දැන් ඉන්න ළමයි ගොඩක් forward කියලා ඉස්සර ඉන්න ළමයිට වඩා Okay, the release planning goal is to define set of features required for next release. The next is iteration planning. What is this iteration planning? Customer uses the stories for iteration, and that means that you have the stories, you can be able to decide what iteration going to be first with which user story. Okay, what you are going to do next, likewise, you can do that iteration plan. Okay, what is this 40 hours? Here they need to do with the right schedule, the tight schedule here. 40 hours, 8 hours multiplied 5, no any overtimes. So they assume that tired programmers make more mistakes. Okay. On-site customer. What is this? To improve the communication, the customer is always stays with the XP team. They are the people who write the acceptance test, run them, and they can answer the question. Make decisions for programmers. Finally, what is going to be modified, and they can make decisions for the programmers. They can accept releases. Okay, what are the key principles of XP design? That the keep it simple. That is the term they are always with, keep it simple. Design provides the implementation guidelines when stories are written. Nothing less, nothing more here. So discourage extra functionality for later use here. That means you always need to be simple. What is the CRC? It's a class responsibility collaborator cards to identify and organize object-oriented classes. Difficulties. What are the difficulties here? Read them first. What are the difficulties? Okay, the difficulties in design is, can we make everything simple and easy? It's so difficult to make everything simple and easy. Okay, so the immediate, you can design some of prototypes. So Spike solution, that's the prototype based solution. You are going to implement and evaluate it. So when you are doing some validation with the user stories containing problems, you can lower the risk here. What is the simple design? You can build software to simple design. You can start with the testing and user stories and do that. The right design for the software is one that you can run all the tests, no any duplicated logic. You can state every intention important for the programmer. They can make it useful. Okay. Has the fewest possible classes and method. What is the simplest thing and could possibility work is like always keep it simple. Next one is refactoring. Read what is refactoring. It is a construction as well as design technique in Agile. So changing the internal factors of the code without changing the behavior, like cleaning the code, removing the bug, improving the design. Okay, so that is the, you can, if you want to read more about the refactoring, you can read www.refactoring.com. Okay. Okay, what is this refactoring? Continuous design. How to make it simple after adding, before adding. Before adding, is there any way to do the additional simple? After adding, you need to think about when they are running or the test, how you are going to make it simple. Okay. Always you need to refactor when the system and process asks you to do. Okay, the next is coding. You can do the design and coding together. After the design is done, you can develop the unit cases for each stories and you can release before starting the coding. The pair programming means two people are working together for the programming. Integration is you are going to integrate the coding, part of the construction, daily based on the developers, you are going to integrate them. Okay. So you can avoid like critical compatibility and interfacing problems here when you're doing the integration. What is this pair programming? Coding in pairs at one machine. You can do the speed of programming and also continuity. You can do them. One programmer design the code and other one watching and they can do some testing part. They can write the test. Okay. So this is ordinarily for the programmers. That means no need to hold a PhD to do the programming. You can use XP. Okay. It's a small team, 2 to 10 people. More effective one. What is this collective code ownership? Read what is collective code ownership. Here the whole team owns the code. Anybody can change any part of the code. Okay, they have responsible of that code. They can be able to change the code. Okay, based on the current requirement, simple design. So everyone is responsible for the team and increase the speed. What is this continuous integration? When someone finish the work, they can be able to integrate and deliver it. Multiple times a day, you can do the integration part. There are coding standards they are following. They need to have the common standard, easy to understand, readable. That means someone else, if they are modifying the code, they can be able to understand the code easily. Testing, unit test, they're done by the testing, the developers. They have a framework for automating the testing, daily testing they are doing, regression testing, whenever code is modified. That means modification is properly done. They need to check they are doing using regression testing. This fixing small problems take few minutes, hours to think about that. Acceptance test is final testing with the users they are doing. Testing is for validation the software at all times. Unit testing, you can carry out the first written before and after the coding by developers. Acceptance or customer test, specified by user customer, overall system features and functionality based on the stories carried out daily. Okay. These are some approach and practices. Here they are following 3 layers: programming, team practices, and processor. Okay, under the programming, they have simple design, testing, team practices. That means all the key practices can be into 3 layers: programming, team practices, processes. You can read them. Okay. Always XP need feedback. Ask the system, not a document. Always you need to write down the test cases, do experiment. Courage is you need to fix it, toss it, and you can try it. Activities like coding, testing, listening, designing is here. Always doing the simplest thing. That is the hard about the XP. Okay. Admitting you don't know. Collaborating is there. Breaking down emotion walls. These are some trouble zones. Pointing culture rather than driving. Big specification is there. Too smart. Size matters and slow feedback is there. If you have any questions about XP, you can ask from me. මොනා හරි ප්‍රශ්න තියෙනවා නම් අහන්න බලන්න XP ගැන. Teepan Therunada, do you understand? Software engineering is a boring subject. හරි. ඒ කියන්නේ අපිට තියෙන තියරි ටික අහගෙනම ඉන්න තමයි තියෙන්නේ. හරි. ඒකයි මම අර හැමතිස්සෙම ඕගොල්ලෝගෙන් කතා කරලා ඕගොල්ලෝගෙන් question එකක් අහලා අර interaction එකක් ගන්න බලන්නේ. මොකද මේක නැත්තම් එපාම වෙන subject එක. හරි. Teepan, do you understand the XP? Not Teepan, Teepan, are you talking?
Yes, madam.
Do you understand?
I until haven't this cute, but later I will.
That means you need. Okay, today I will upload this to the LMS. Okay.
Yeah.
Teepan.
I see this first time, so I will after I will read it.
Okay. Afan. Okay. Okay. Today I will upload it. Okay. I think same for the Rasangika. Okay. Today I will upload to this one. Just now I will upload the notes to the LMS. Okay. You can read them, and if anything, the next week you can ask from me. Okay.
Thanks.
Okay. Okay, ask your friends to come to the lecture next week. Okay?
Sure.
The data problem, I will ask Mahesh sir whether we can sort out. Okay?
Yeah, thanks.
Okay, thank you. You can leave from the class.